Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. This is for Android and at the same time Apple. It's working 2.4G and 5G adaptive resolution according to your car. And we'll look at the features you can see. And this is from Benizi. And basically here is the product. You can use either USB-A or USB-C. This is SD card place you can use. What we're gonna do is go ahead and insert it. And then it's gonna ask you to confirm if you wanna use it for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You can just press yes. Right now it's processing. You can see the blue light there. And now it's coming. It's Apple CarPlay. Yes. When we look at the first screen, you can see some applications. These are whole applications. If you want to install it, you can just go to Play Store and install it. Make sure you're connected to internet. Right now we are connected. We can go ahead and look at YouTube. It depends on your internet connection, basically. Free, no copyright music. You can choose one of them. For example, this. It's working perfectly. Yes, we can go back. And when we look at the settings, it has so many settings. It's enabling you to see so many settings: application info, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, display settings, and original vehicle settings, date and time, more. It's basically Android. When you look at that, you can change the wallpaper, update it, sound, display, and applications and notifications. Speed play, car, you can go back to regular car menu and also install APK installer if Play Store is not working. And you can check the files from the SD card. There is Disney Plus and Netflix. Car BitLink. Yeah, you can go ahead and check, but I don't want to update it right now. Anyways, and there is Netflix. You can also use Netflix. You can log into your account and continue. And there's Car BitLink. Yep, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you next video.